Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to draw allos on Lichess. So the first thing that you'd like to do, of course, is just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course in your case, you can use any other browser, could be possibly working for you in your PC, or whatever you're working with. Could be Google Chrome, could be Microsoft Edge, Firefox, Opera, or any other browser, even Internet Explorer if it's working for you. Once you open your browser, simply go to this URL section and type lichess.org and hit the enter button. That should take you to this page, which is going to be the home screen or the main screen of lichess.org. Of course, here, first thing that you would like to do is just go to the top right corner option sign in and click on it so you can actually sign in into your account if you have one. If you don't have an account, make sure to go and click on register so you can actually create an account in here. So for me, let me do that and I'm coming back. So once you logged in or sign in or even create an account, you'll find yourself with this home screen or this main screen on the list on the lichess.org website. And of course, you'll find your username here at the top right corner. That means you're signed in. And from here, you can do a lot of other stuff. So as we said in the beginning of this tutorial, we would like to draw arrows. And of course, if you want to do that, let's just go and play a game or start a game as an example. Now, if you want to move, of course, we can click on the piece and click on where we would like to take it, or hold the piece with our left click and take it to wherever we want to take it. If you want to draw arrows, you'll have to do the opposite way. You'll have to use the right click, not the left click. Hold the right click from the square that you want to start the arrow from and just release your hand from the square that you want to stop the arrow from. And here you are, you draw your arrow. Of course, if you want to delete an arrow, just go and draw the same arrow and it will be deleted. If you have here a lot of arrows and you want to delete them all, simply left click anywhere on any square on the board and all the arrows will be deleted. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.